2018 Subaru WRX STI. You got the sporty looking steering wheel with the flat on the bottom, STI emblems, red stitching on the steering wheel, and the red lighting at night. And over here, top there, we got the boost gate, and down here we got the displays for audios, phone setting, apps, and all kind of those things. And down here we have the AC control and the stick shift, 6-speed stick shift. And down there we got the STI sign, like line up at night also. And over here we have the power control, the SI drive. So we got the sport sharp, push, intelligent. That's mean this one you adjust the drive when you push it, and then you can adjust it. And this one is the differential power that you can adjust it to more power to the rear or less. It's a nice looking car though. Alright, let's show you guys this beauty. Beautiful blue also. STI emblems. All-wheel drive. Come with factory wheels and ring brake caliper. Check out the interior. Got red stitching on the door panel and red detail on the seat also. I don't know if you can see it. A little dark now. And the driver's seat. And it looks beautiful with all the light on right now. So red in here. This looks beautiful. Let's check under the hood. So we got the traditional STI hood scoop, and a beautiful 2.5 liter engine with the top mount as always. I like the red detail of the intake runner. It looks beautiful though. So that take around. Alright, let's go for a quick ride. And it looks beautiful at night with all the lights on. And the acceleration is good. I can feel the power. Sounds good though, with this stock exhaust. And I like all the detail at night line up red, you know. It's just show the beauty of this STI. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful in red detail. Sounds so good. Ooh. It's a very fun car to drive. It's like good daily, good for track. It's like overall good car for like, it's good. Second and third year, just fun. was fun. I love it. I love this STI. The way it looks, the way it light up at night. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Get an STI stitching line up down there. All the detail line up in red. Beautiful. Alright guy, thank you for coming with me. Please leave in a comment what do you think about this STI. Are they amazing? Are they fun car to drive? I love it. I like it a lot. And they are fun to drive. So yep, thank you for coming. And have a wonderful day or have a wonderful night. I'll see you guys next time. The beautiful 2018 Subaru STI.